Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to organize and manage webinars using teamwork.com, your 2025 full guide. First up, log into your teamwork.com account and navigate to the Projects tab. This is where you'll set up your webinar. It might seem odd to use the Projects tab, but remember, a webinar is essentially a project with a start and end date, a team, and tasks. Now that we've done that, create a new project, give it a name relating to your webinar, and set the start and end times to match your webinar schedule. The reason we do this is to keep track of all webinar-related tasks and deadlines in one place, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Next up, invite your team members. Under the People tab, you'll find an Invite People option. Here, add all the people involved in the webinar. This helps us because it ensures everyone has access to the project details and can contribute to the planning and execution of the webinar. Once your team is on board, it's time to assign tasks. Under the Tasks tab, you can create tasks, assign them to team members, and set their deadlines. This is crucial as it allows you to delegate and track all the tasks needed to make your webinar a success, from content creation to technical checks. Now, let me explain why this matters. By keeping all your tasks in one place, everyone knows what they need to do and when they need to do it. It also means you, as the project manager, can see the progress of tasks at a glance, making it easier to manage the webinar. Lastly, you'll want to use the Files tab to store and share all webinar-related documents. This could be anything from the webinar script to the presentation slides. Again, having everything in one place makes it easier to find and share resources, minimizing confusion and wasted time searching for files. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively organize and manage your webinars using teamwork.com. Remember, the key to a successful webinar is good planning and clear communication. Teamwork.com makes it easy to do both. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.